Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Shuria's Handy. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys if this website is real or fake. So basically, this website is a website where you make money by sharing your link with in social media with your friends, family members, and you earn money by referring friend and completing tasks. So you get $2 for each click and $20 for each sign up you get. And once you get a total of 30 clicks or above, and 10 signups or above, and 15 tasks or above, and the earnings don't those don't matter. You can have as much as earnings. They depend on your clicks and your signups and your tasks. So you have to have 30 30 clicks and 10 signups, 15 tasks in order to cash out your money. So I was curious if this website was fake, and I cashed out my money, and this is what it said: "Thank you, payment successful." And when I went to my PayPal to check how much money I got, so I got the total amount I wanted, except the 17 cents. Those were the leftover in my account. I was completely broke, so that's why I needed to a way to earn money. So if you guys want to try this, most of the people leave fraud links like scammers or spammers. So just click the link in the description that I left. It's a real link, legit. Just go to the website, finish all the requirements, and cash out the money. And also, guys, please leave a comment saying what will you buy with the amount of money you'll get from it. And also, my favorite thing I will buy with it is a console, because my console was stolen 5 months ago by a counterfeit user, and I was super mad. Couldn't couldn't take care of my studies because of the depression I got from the situation. So please click on the link in the description, sign up, and leave a comment. As I said, leave a comment by saying you got $25, because once you click on the link, you'll get your first 25 bonus dollars, and you'll get more after you share your link. So please do so, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.